We're looking at a holographic spin display, and this is a photo that I made for the program via a smartphone. It is not that difficult to do, but once you learn how to do it, it becomes very easy. This is a 3D hologram. It's 18.1 inches. It has 700 videos, photos for your library via your unit, iCloud, and so forth. It is important to go over the manual so you can download the application via iOS or Droid, and also going to the PC terminal on the line and seeing if you can get to the program. We're going to show you how to set this up and how to make a very simple hologram. These are the parts that you get: an AC/DC plug, a micro SD thumb drive, additional screws, anchors, and bolts, the workable LED arms, and a screwdriver, Precision Phillips. A danger sticker so the revolving fan that you know not to put your hands by. A remote control that has an on and off, a brightness, a forward, a reverse, a forward play, back play, square one, and pause, play, up, on, and off. Your smartphone will be the way you turn the unit on and off as well, and to connect. Every part is marked A and B. This is the A. There are 2 set screws, self-tappers, and 1 set screw, bolt. There is a plug and connector. You're going to match up the plug and connector and gently place on, hold it down, grab the bolt, place on, and start to tighten down. Leave it loose and put the other 2 on. On the bottom of the unit will be a hanging bracket that you're going to hang on the wall, ceiling, desk, wherever. This is where you plug in the power. You face it downward to hang up on your bracket, your wall. You plug in your power, and the unit's going to come on when it's plugged in. It's going to go through a calibration right to the dead center, and you're ready to use. Make sure the cables and plugs are out of your way, that's not behind the unit, so this way you have a nice display. Go to the App Store and look for Spin Display. You have an app in here that's only going to direct you to a revolving link, and you're going to open up Spin Display, and you're going to just continue on. It's going to ask you to go to your network. It's going to ask you to add a device and open up your router. You're going to go into your Wi-Fi. You're going to look for MS45 Infinity UV GQHR7J, and you're going to hit the I, and you're going to type in the password 12345667. When that's all done, you're going to reopen up Spin, and it's going to open up to all these things. We have the app open. I'm going to turn the unit on by remote control, and it's just going to play many different logos and designs. I'm not connected to the unit, but I am going to be connected to the Wi-Fi only, and it shows all these products, logos, shots, models, cool, and organisms. It has the device over here which will need to be connected. It has a design area that we could create different designs. And we have a camera to take our pictures and whatnot. I want to make my own design. I'm going to go to custom text. I can draw in there, do what I want, and write my name. I can hit done. I can hit the color I want. I want blue. I want a pattern, I want it hollow, I want the size, I want it as big as I can go. I want 190. I want the font system, whatever it's going to choose. Area, I'm going to Just go. I got a whole bunch of them to choose from. I'm not sure what any of these are. So let's just continue on. I think that's cool. Click OK. And I am finished, so I'm going to hit finish. If I want to add a background, I could do that. I want to save it as my name. Click OK. If I hit save again, it's going to just continue to do the saving over and over. In my gallery, I should have my product saved. There it is in the local gallery. So I want to go into my local gallery and press it. And I want to try to save it. It's a little difficult for me to do right now. Now I want to get this hooked up to the unit. And I'm going to do that by going into my Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect to MS45 because that is the unit. It's connected. And it's connected with 1234567 default password. And I'm going to go to spin. The X is over here. And I'm going to just try to figure out how to get my thing into the area. I hit the plus. I go to the area local. I go to fish. I want to show it and I want to send it to the unit. I hit send. I click OK because that's the name I want to send. It's right underneath the last one I made. And it's sending to the unit. If I click on F, voila! I got my fish made. It's not the perfect one, but you get the idea how to make it. And I'll show you the one I made early on, called Photo. This is cool. It comes with the remote control that I can simply just pick the ones I want and play it. It is not that noisy. You can hear the fan like you have a regular fan on low. There's a lot you can do with this holographic fan unit. It's an upgradable unit. You want to keep your fingers out of the unit. They give you one of these stickers that you say, hey, be careful. It's great for holidays, it's great for parties, it's great for entertainment, it's great for a storefront, a window front, wherever you want to display the unit, indoors. It is not IP rated for outdoors. So you want to make certain that you have a lot of fun, be safe, and design your own logos and whatnot. It has a URL link for a desktop app, it has a smartphone app, and it has a remote control app. It is a nice machine to make different designs. I hope you enjoy your product. If this holographic fan projector is right for you. Oh man, just look at this. I could pick just about anything. I could go with the thing here. Oh, look at that. I got a fish saying hello there to you. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is right for you.